Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how I completed this rolling tray set that also comes with an ashtray, a jar, and a matching keychain. The customer requested the color blue with silver foil, and I'll be showing you how I was able to achieve this specific color using mica powder and resin coloring. Please remember that resin is a chemical that should only be used in a well-ventilated area while you're wearing gloves and a respirator mask if you have one. So once I finished mixing the resin and making sure there was no streaks in there, I added black coloring because the customer actually requested the color royal blue. So I was adding the black in order to get the darker color that you see in royal blue. The mica powder I had was a little light, so it wouldn't have been as dark as she wanted it to be if I had only used the mica powder. I still wasn't able to get it to be completely royal blue in the end, but she was still satisfied with the color, so it worked out. So I'm gonna just mix up the resin using the stir stick, and in a minute you'll see me add the foil once I know that the color is just right. guys, I'm sorry that the bottom of the jar and the keychain was not in frame when I was recording, so you guys didn't get to see me pour the resin into those molds. But I made sure it was in frame when I was demolding, so you guys can see it come out of the mold. So before packaging up the order, the last thing I like to do is set everything up and take pictures for social media, and even send a picture to the customer so they can know what they're getting before they get it. And always remember to try to put a watermark on your pictures, because people do steal pictures and videos and try to claim it as their own work. So I like to put some type of watermark on there so people can know that it was made by me. To get the sparkly effect that you see, I use an app called Briller, which is available on iOS devices, or you can use a filter on Instagram. Well, that is all. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you have any questions and if you want to see more like this.